in the world. That is a play paranda or paranda. So remember, the parang is from Trinidad and Tobago. I am Ernesto Garcia. So Trinidad have a parang. That is a Christmas season. That is identify when Jesus came, when the Virgin Mary, everybody come to party, organize food, Christmas pasta, ponche creme, sorrel juice, or black cake. That is a rare. Venezuela is hallacas, pastelitos, bollos, the same ponche creme, and torta negra. Infinidades. So, right? So, right now we have played Natalia. That song from the master, Juan Vicente Torrealba. Juan Vicente Torrealba is a professional harpist, harp. He played years ago. He's a very famous in Venezuela and South America, probably in Europe, in the United States too. So he went to Trinidad many years. So Natalia and the Devil, Natalia y El Diablo. So the song is in G minor, the original. G minor. I know G minor position is, wow. The song must be. And then Starlight, they have Natalia in 3 sequence or 3 part, or in the first step or part or sequence is in G, right, with C minor and D7. You play that part in Pasaje or Waltz. It's like this. The rule is like this. But the rhythm is 3/4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So say 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 1. Right? You see 1, 2, 3. Passes C minor. 1 and twice. That's the meaning is 1. Okay, that's the rhythm de pasar. But in this masterpiece, we have 1 and 4 times. Okay, that is the first sequence or the first step. But let's go to the second one. This second one is the man, you know, this G minor, and Oye Natalia, C minor, 4 times. La 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 la. G minor. 4 times. 4 times. G minor twice. Go again, repeat, oye Natalia. G minor. Okay. Finish this sequence in G minor. So then we have the number 3 or the third sequence, number 3. Come immediately D7 twice, la 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 la, G minor twice, and repeat and repeat and repeat. 2, 1, 2, repeat y me beso. Correct? Okay, please, clips, subscribe, and please write your comment. It's important. So say if you don't like, if you like, if you have any idea, you can tell, okay? Another thing I want to explain you how you use, you notice, if you notice I have something, that is called a capotraste. Let me see what is that, right? That is a function of this finger. The meaning is that's this finger. How? But then how come like this? For example, when you play G minor, right? G minor is too difficult for some quatrist player because the finger is two finger, 1, 2 on the first fret out, first bar, and the finger number 4, this is small one, jump 1, 2, 3 bar in the last string, right? And the position is the number 3 is free. See, that is free. So that position, is difficult for you. What happened? That's a can use this capotraste. It's an Italian language, okay? Remember the music is in Italian language. So that function again is from the finger this. For example, if you go on G minor, another similar like G minor, you go 1, 2, 3 finger and put like E minor. But you transport, right? 1, 2, 3 in E minor, right? But the E minor change and G minor. So the function of the bonnet is in the finger 1, in the 3, like this. Okay? So it's easy for the player use that position. Right? For me it's easy. Okay? Oye, Natalia. La 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 la. You see the same way you play in G right here. E. That's a function capotraste. Okay? You see? A bonus, very important for the how you play more easy, more control, more confidence in this position of your fingers. It's more easy for me play here. Of course, the sound is more high, the octave. So that's a function of this instrument. For me, the proper name is that's the finger 1, because that's how using your finger 1. Right? That's for me. Bonnet or capotraste. Okay? I remember my father was using a lot because he played a small guitar. The name is requinto, and he used a capotraste because he wanted the sound high, like ukulele. He used a capotraste right here, right? So thank you very much for continued and support watching my videos. I will appreciate. Thank you for the subscribers. Well, thank you. Don't forget, click subscribe. Please send for another students. If somebody need to learn CUATRO, please recommend this YouTube Ernesto channel. So thank you very much. It's a song.